Hello everyone. So now we are going to solve one question of SHM Simple Harmonic Motion. Let us see what is the question. Period of oscillation of spring block system. So here we are going to find out the time period of oscillation of this block. Okay. Let us see how we will solve it. So as we know that here there is only one block, and we know that to find out the time period we will have to use this simple formula, that is T is equal to 2 pi root m upon k equivalent root. Okay, that is the formula to find out the time period. Okay, so here m is the mass of this block, and now we are going to find out the k equivalent. Okay, let us see. So here if we say that there is a displacement x of this block downward, then let here there will be an extension of x1 in this spring, and there is extension of x2 in second spring. Okay, and as we know that relation between x1, x2 and x, that is x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 in vector form. Okay, and here we can see that x1, x2 and x both are downward, so we will take all these positive. Okay, downward it is positive, so here there will be x is equal to x1 upon 2 plus x2 upon 2. Okay, now if we say that there is as we know that f is equal to kx. Okay, so from here we can say that x, that will be f upon k. Okay, so now we are applying this simple formula for here. Let here it is the tension T, and here also tension T, then we can say that here will be tension 2T. Okay, so x, that will be f, here it is 2T, so here we are writing 2T, and now here will be k equivalent. Why? Because this entire system we can convert this with a single spring and the block. Okay, and for that imaginary spring we can say that k equivalent is the equivalent spring constant. Okay, so we can say that here will be k equivalent. Now let's talk about x1. So here for x1 we can see that x1, that will be tension is T here. Okay, and constant is k, so we can write x1, that is T upon k. And if we talk about x2, then that will be, so x2 tension is T, constant is 3k, spring constant is 3k, so we can say T upon 3k. Okay, so now we can put values of x, x1 and x2 here. So there will be 2T, here will be k equivalent, and here will be T upon 2k plus 1 by 2 x2, that is T upon 3k. Okay, so now here T is cancelled out, and now we can see that there will be 2 upon k equivalent, there will be 1 upon 2k, and there will be 1 upon 2k into 1 by 3. Okay, so if I multiply here with 3 and divide also, then we can see that that will be 3 plus 4, that will be 3 plus 1, that will be 4, and here will be 6k. So we can say here will be 2 upon 3k. Solving it, we can say that 2, that will be cancelled out, and k equivalent, that will be 3k. Okay, so now we can put value of k equivalent, okay, in equation 1. So here time period, that will be 2 pi, and m as it is, and k equivalent, that was 3k. So we can write here 3k. Okay, so that will be the time period. So in options we can see that the first option, that is the right answer. So first option is the right answer. I hope you got it. Okay, thank you very much.